Hello everyone and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. We'll speak about the Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So what happened here is something that we spoke about, potential for the further downside movement, and FOMC basically just made it happen. We can see that there was a sell-off all the way down to this weekly low from a couple of weeks ago, and this was our first downside objective on the euro. So what is happening now is pretty much normal reaction after such a big down day like we had yesterday. Market usually will react in the morning and maybe for one or two sessions, Asian and European, and we might see even potential for the downside continuation after the completion of this upside correction. So the correction may even go a little bit higher. It can also stop from here. We also have previous swing lows around 1.0, but it's also here around the declining 20-bar moving average in an hourly time frame. So from my perspective, if we can clear the 1.0380, 375, we might see the downside continuation to retest 1.0328 and then eventually to see another drop towards 1.0230 mark on the euro dollar. Bitcoin dollar also had a down move. We spoke about that, the divergence that happened here and the shift in the trend dynamic. You can see the 20-day moving average is challenged here. And from my perspective, there is a chance for even bigger drop towards 92,000 mark. Dollar index had this up day. We spoke about upside continuation on the dollar index. So far, seems like this is just a pullback on the dollar index. So the next upside objective is all the way up at 109.60 mark. Gold market had a down day, and we can see that weekly is breaking the multi-way consolidation. So I'll say that the first downside objective on the gold is around 2,535 mark. So still potential for more downside. We spoke about this. Now we can see maybe it's just some correction, retest of the previous lows or so, but there is a chance for downside continuation. And on the NASDAQ 100, we had such a big vertical down move. And we can see the market close below the 20-day moving average. And now it will be the question, can the buyers reclaim the 20-day or not today? So we will see. So far, weekly's outside candles, so higher high and lower low compared to previous week. But today, it will be all about, can we see something similar like this? So maybe we had like here when the market broke down below 20, but then consolidate and reclaim here, consolidate the reclaim, or something like this. We just spiked and then reclaim the next day. This is even more strong. So the next couple of days, including today, will be very important to watch on the NASDAQ, how the market will react after this down move. Or is this a shakeout just, or we might see the change in the trend dynamic from bullish to bearish. So observe this, and that will be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.